Hi there, Chris here with just a tip for you all. In this video, we're going to do something a little bit different here. We are going to compare the new shade Cryptek Armorshade gloss. Now, this bottle comes in a bottle similar size as the contrast paints, if anybody is familiar with that. And of course, I'm just doing this in my little notebook here because I like to keep color swatches and things like that and just kind of experiment with colors. So I just want to see where this falls within the range of the brown hues. Cryptek Armorshade gloss, you can see it's much thinner and it's not quite as vibrant. Cryptek Flesh Shade gloss. Again, these are glosses, so I'm comparing them here initially on the paper. Now, the paper is not a pure white. It actually is kind of an off-white. It's, Dark Oath Flesh. Again, we're just comparing colors. Now, initially, I was thinking that this color, Cryptek Armorshade was close to that Dark Oath, but I was like way off. Cygor Brown, I'm actually getting a little bit into the ballpark here. You can see this is a very saturated color. So I figured, okay, Wildwood, this has got to be our guy right here where it's kind of close to. And it kind of is. You can see how the values are fairly similar. Gore Grunt of Fur is next. And this one here is, again, just to see how it all compares out. Of course, you know, these are all fantastic hues. Snakebite Leather is our final color we're going to quickly look at here. And you can see it's really fantastic. It's got those yellows in it. But anyway, enough of those colors. Cryptek Armorshade gloss. You can see here it does kind of have a resemblance to Wildwood, but it is gloss, so it will finish like the Cryptek Armorshade gloss and the Cryptek Flesh Shade gloss, but it's definitely different from those other two. So if anybody's considering picking this one up, it might work out well within your collection. And of course, anybody who's doing the new Necrons, it definitely will look pretty darn cool on those as well. So there it is. A quick little rundown of where this color fits in the greater scheme of things amongst all these other Citadel colors. I'm glad that this one basically is kind of like Wildwood, but it's a gloss variety. So I'm definitely going to have to give this one a try on some of my models. I'm definitely going to be using this in future projects, so keep an eye out for that one. Big thank you to all my patrons. Without their support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below, and you'll be taken off to a magical website called Patreon, where there's varying tiers to support at, and there's, of course, there's little perks and everything like that, so check it out. Take care of those brushes. They will take care of you.